Hi, this will be a demonstration of the assessment test number 4 from the robotics class at UTS autumn 2019, and this video will be about test number 1. So we should use Puma 560 from the robotics toolbox from Peter Corke to do a visual servoing task. Right, so we needed to first of all mount a simulated camera on the end effector so we could get the images from the camera and do the visual servoing task. Then we needed to choose 4 targets on the drum and actually inspect them, so center these points, these 4 corners on the center of the camera so we could inspect them. So let's go to Matlab. I'll close everything and start from scratch. I'll separate these 2 figures that are generated here. So here we have the robot itself, the robotic arm, and the drum, and these 4 corners. So you see we're trying to center them on this 500 coordinate on the camera. And since I used a pretty low tolerance here, you'll see that we need to get really close to the 500 coordinate before moving to the next corner. So here we already inspected 3. We are on the 3rd one. We're going to inspect the last one, the magenta. And you can see that the robot was moving around on these 4 corners here, and by the end of the task we will get the current error. So these are errors in the U and V coordinates in pixels, and that was pretty much it.